Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'm going to get to it. So I am going to critique and provide feedback on my own sketches from this page. For those that don't know, this is how I have effectively and efficiently learned very quickly how to gain more skills in the fundamentals of art, which is creating a really good foundation and layout, including proportions for future pieces of artwork. Now, this isn't going to be a piece of artwork, this is purely practice, and this is how I've been essentially practicing every single day for the past few months, how to gain more skills in the fundamentals of art, as I just said. So I'll just start with the first one. The first one took me 3 minutes. Then I stopped mid because I couldn't correct this because it was completely off at an angle. So you can't exactly correct this unless you rubbed it out, and that's defeating the purpose, because in that time frame I should have said that you don't actually rub any lines out. This is the lines that you're left with. Essentially any line that you put down you do not take away. So otherwise you are wasting time. So I stopped the second one, and the third one took me 2 minutes. And originally, when I did start this method, I was taking roughly about 5 minutes. About a year ago, I was taking about 10 minutes to 40 minutes, I think it was, to create just one drawing or sketch. And that's not a quick way of actually gaining more skills. So hence why this learning method. So I utilised geometric and observational methods combined with good speed, creating the feedback loop. And the feedback loop is where you gain the all important and essential pieces of information to rectify either mistakes that you've made or keep the skills or approach that you would, and utilise that and you do it again, essentially. So the first one, the mouth was far too wide. Apart from that, everything else was fine. The mouth was far too wide, so I knew not to do that, and I was happy with the third result. However, the jaw should have come down very slightly lower, and the photo of this girl, she had quite a pronounced jaw and cheekbones, and she was also tilting her head down, so hence why her ears are further up in her head. So yeah, that's the two things that I would change, is the mouth and the jaw. But apart from that, I was really quite happy with the layout. Let me know what you think, and I shall see you later. Bye guys!